Ever wondered how YouTube's algorithm works? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to the course summary for Understanding YouTube's Algorithm, Increasing Visibility and Reach. This is a whistle-stop tour of the key insights you can expect when you dive into the full course. We're about to embark on a journey that will reveal the inner workings of one of the world's most popular platforms and its mysterious algorithm. In this course, we pull back the curtain on YouTube's algorithm, revealing how it functions, what it prioritizes, and how you can use this knowledge to your advantage. We're not just talking about a few quick tips and tricks here. No, we're going deep, diving into the very heart of YouTube, exploring the intricacies of its complex algorithm. You see, YouTube's algorithm isn't just a formula, it's a dynamic, ever-changing entity that shapes what billions of people around the globe watch every day. It's the gatekeeper to visibility and reach on the platform, deciding who gets seen and who doesn't. And understanding it, truly understanding it, can give you a significant edge, whether you're a content creator, marketer, or aspiring YouTuber. So what can you expect from this course summary? We'll be giving you glimpses into each module of the course, from decoding the algorithm, crafting a content strategy that aligns with the algorithm's goals, to exploring search engine optimization and discovery techniques. We'll also touch on strategies for boosting engagement, growing your audience, and making data-driven decisions for algorithm success. In essence, this is not just about understanding YouTube's algorithm, it's about mastering it. It's about turning that understanding into action, into results. It's about taking control of your YouTube journey, increasing your visibility, reaching more people, and ultimately succeeding on the platform. So are you intrigued, excited, ready to uncover the secrets of YouTube's algorithm? Let's dive in. Starting off, it's crucial to understand the basics of YouTube's algorithm. Let's dive right in. Imagine the YouTube algorithm as a diligent matchmaker. Its primary job is to pair viewers with the content they would love to watch. But this matchmaker doesn't just consider what viewers want, it's also looking out for creators striving to promote their content to the right audience. This algorithm isn't just one program, it's a series of algorithms, each with its specific purpose. There's one for search, one for suggested videos, and another for the trending page. Each algorithm uses different parameters, but they all share a common goal: to keep viewers engaged on the platform. So what does the algorithm prioritize? It's all about engagement. YouTube's algorithm values watch time over views. It's not just about clicking on a video, it's about how long you stay. This means that content that keeps viewers watching for longer periods will be rewarded with better visibility. Another vital factor is viewer interaction. The algorithm loves it when viewers interact with your content, whether that's through likes, comments, or shares. It's a sign that your content is resonating with your audience, and the algorithm takes that as a cue to promote your videos more. But wait, there's more. The algorithm also considers the frequency of your uploads. Consistent posting signals to the algorithm that you're an active creator, which can help boost your visibility on the platform. However, remember that quality should never be compromised for quantity. Now, let's talk about relevancy. The algorithm favors content that is relevant to the viewer's interests. It uses data from the viewer's search history, liked videos, and previously watched content to suggest videos that align with their preferences. So, creating content that is relevant and interesting to your target audience is key. Another interesting aspect is that the algorithm learns and evolves. It's continually refining its understanding of what viewers like and don't like based on their behavior on the platform. This means that understanding your audience and their preferences is paramount. The more accurately you can align your content with your audience's tastes, the more favorably the algorithm will treat your videos. And finally, the algorithm cares about freshness. Recent videos often get a boost in visibility, especially if they're on trending topics. But don't worry, older evergreen content still has a place. If it continues to engage viewers, the algorithm will keep it in circulation. With a grasp of these basics, you're ready to strategize your content for algorithmic success. Now that we know what the algorithm looks for, it's time to align our content strategy accordingly. In the second module of our course, we dove deep into the heart of content strategy, focusing on the creation of engaging, algorithm-friendly content. This isn't just about producing high-quality videos, it's about crafting content that resonates with both your audience and YouTube's algorithm. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand that the algorithm rewards engagement. This means creating content that encourages viewers to interact, whether that's through liking, commenting, sharing, or simply watching through to the end. You want to create a community around your content, a group of loyal viewers who eagerly anticipate your next upload. But how do you do that? Well, the key is to create content that is both relevant and engaging. It's about balancing what your audience wants to see with what the algorithm wants to promote. This might sound like a daunting task, but it's absolutely achievable, and here's how. One of the key lessons from this module is the importance of consistency. Consistent uploading can significantly boost your visibility on the platform. This doesn't mean you need to upload daily. It's more about setting a schedule and sticking to it. If your viewers know they can expect a new video from you every Tuesday and Thursday, they're more likely to tune in. Another crucial point is the importance of targeting the right keywords. YouTube is, after all, the second largest search engine in the world. Therefore, it's essential to optimize your content for search, utilizing relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and even your video tags. This helps the algorithm understand what your content is about and who might be interested in it. We also discussed the significance of creating a strong hook. The first 15 seconds of your video are crucial in capturing your viewer's attention. If you can hook your viewer in that initial window, they're more likely to stick around and watch your entire video, which is something the algorithm loves to see. Lastly, we talked about the value of creating evergreen content. This is content that remains relevant and interesting long after it's been published. While trending topics can give you a short-term boost, evergreen content can drive consistent traffic to your channel over time. In conclusion, a successful content strategy for YouTube involves a deep understanding of your audience, a consistent upload schedule, strategic keyword targeting, compelling hooks, and a mix of evergreen and trending content. Remember, the right content strategy can significantly enhance your visibility on YouTube. It's not just about creating great videos, it's about creating great videos that the algorithm and your audience will love. Ever wondered why some videos appear in your search results? That's SEO at work. Let's take a peek into the third module of our course, which is all about search engine optimization, or SEO, and discovery techniques. SEO is the secret sauce that propels your videos to the forefront of search results, helping them get discovered by viewers who are interested in your content. It's not just about producing captivating videos, it's also about making sure they are seen. This is where SEO comes into play. YouTube, just like Google, uses an algorithm to decide which videos to show in search results and recommended feeds. And this algorithm relies heavily on keywords, tags, and metadata to determine the relevance of your video to the viewer's search or viewing habits. Keywords are crucial. They are the words or phrases that viewers use to search for videos. Including relevant keywords in your video title, description, and tags can significantly increase your video's visibility. But remember, the algorithm is sophisticated. It values relevance and viewer satisfaction, so stuffing your video with unrelated keywords won't do you any favors. Tags, on the other hand, are like keywords, but used specifically for categorizing videos. They help YouTube understand the content and context of your video. Using relevant tags can help your video appear in related video suggestions, further boosting its visibility. Then there's metadata. This includes your video's title, description, and tags, but also extends to elements like closed captions and playlists. All these elements provide information to YouTube's algorithm about your video's content, helping it understand and categorize your video correctly. In conclusion, SEO is all about helping the algorithm understand your video better so it can match it with the right viewers. It's about making your video discoverable, about reaching the right people at the right time. And when done correctly, SEO can significantly increase your video's visibility, helping it reach a wider audience. With the right keywords and tags, your videos can reach your target audience more effectively. We've just scratched the surface of YouTube's algorithm in this summary. From decoding the algorithm, crafting a content strategy that aligns with it, to leveraging SEO and discovery techniques, we've journeyed through the key elements of YouTube's success. We've also delved into engagement strategies and the power of analytics. These insights are just the beginning. for a deep dive into each module, enroll in the full course, and take your YouTube journey to the next level. That brings us to the end of this course summary. We've just scratched the surface of understanding YouTube's algorithm, and there's so much more to learn. We're grateful you chose to spend your time with us. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to like this video, share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening content. Stay tuned for more insights, and remember, the key to YouTube success lies in understanding its algorithm. See you in the full course.